we humbly request the Honorable Prime Minister of India to present the gold medals to the graduates.
Mr. Chancellor, I present unto you these candidates for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in the Faculty of Indian and Other Languages, Faculty of Science, and degree of Master of Science, Master of Arts, Master of Business Administration, Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Arts in the Faculties of Science, Arts, Commerce, Indian and Other Languages, Management, who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree and to be awarded the prize and medals. So, PhD in Tamil, Trinyana Sambandha Thambiran avargal, Dharmapuram Adinam Arts College, Mayiladurai. PhD in Chemistry, M. Malarvili, Bharathidasan University, Tiruchirappalli. Prizes and medals, Diwan Bahadur T.M. Narayanaswamy Pillai Birthday Centenary Celebration Endowment for M.A. Tamil G. Kirtika, Urumu Dhanalakshmi College, Tiruchirappalli. Professor M. Ravichandran, Endowment Gold Medal for MSc Environmental Science and Sustainable Management, P.S. Agil, Bharathidasan University. Srimati Sakuntala Narasimhan Gold Medal Award Endowment for B.A. Sanskrit, S. Lalita, Rajas College of Sanskrit and Tamil Studies. Nirmal Ghosh Magendran Gold Medal Endowment for BSc Chemistry, M. Meena, Chittalakshmi Ramaswamy College, Tiruchirappalli. Professor K.R. Hanumantan Medal for M.A. History, A. Kadal Bhakyam, Bharathidasan University. University Gold Medal, BSc Geology, D. Madhumida, Government Arts College, Karur. M.A. Dawood Basha Endowment Medal for BSc Visual Communication, James Fraudlin, Annai Velangani Arts College and Science, Tanjavur. Vidya Seva Ratnam Auditor K. Sandana Memorial Endowment for MBA, I.J. Martina Joyce, Bharat College of Science and Management, Tanjavur.